Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, in this video, I am creating this colorful eye makeup look. Well, this is basically for Pride Month. Also, I got a chance to collaborate with this brand NYX to create this eye makeup look. Now, this is NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette and I'm super happy to be collaborating with this brand. Honestly, I was very thrilled and excited when I received their email. I checked my email twice or thrice just to confirm it's for me. And so yes, let's begin the video, and before we do that, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel and show me your love by doing that. Let's get started and play with all these colors. So whenever you're creating a colorful eye makeup like this, I would suggest use a good concealer on your eyelid and make sure the concealer is a little lighter in shade so that the colors come out nicely on your eyelid. So I use this Too Faced concealer. This is in shade light beige. I've applied that all over my eyelid and then I fix this concealer with a loose powder. So I have the perfect base ready for this eye makeup. I'm taking a thin brush, a pencil brush like this. So this is the palette that I'm using. So the first color that I will be taking is this orangish color. And I'm going little above the crease and just drawing a line. You don't need too many brushes for this look. Only thing that you need is a tissue paper. Just keep a tissue paper handy so that you can keep cleaning your brush on it before dipping it into the other color. Alright, so now I'm taking the pink color, which was just next to the orange, and continuing with this line. Okay, so now I'm dipping the brush in this red color. Basically creating a semicircle with all these colors. Now I'm taking a blending brush. Now I'm very lightly blending all these colors. Basically just diffusing the colors a bit so that there is no harsh line on our eye. This is how it looks. I think I need a little bit of more orange here. Let's go with the yellow color now. So there are these two beautiful yellow colors. I'll be mixing both of them. First, let me just go ahead and use this lighter yellow shade and applying this in the outer corner. So I'm not restricting the color only to the outer corner. I am slightly extending it. Now mixing that other yellow, this one. You can even use your fingers to slightly blend the color and take it a little outwards. Now taking a flat brush and taking this shade, the lightest blue, like the pastel blue color that's in the palette. This is a gorgeous shade. Now just take the tiniest brush that you have. I have this lip brush which is from Real Techniques. So I'm taking that. It's a flat brush and the bristles are a little stiff. So that's what you need. Taking a little bit of concealer on the brush and I'll cut the crease. Now applying the concealer right at the center and just extending it down. Just that with this step, the purple color that I'll apply on the crease will become more visible. Otherwise, the purple color would have just faded with the pink and the orange. Now I'm mixing these two shades
and applying this purple shade right at the center of the eyelid on top of this concealer that I applied.
Initially, the look that I was thinking was, I thought I'll do all the warm tones here like orange, red, yellow on my left eye, and on the right side I'll do all the cool tones like purple, blue, pink, but yeah, I ended up just applying everything on my eyes. So I've mixed cool tones and warm tones, but yeah, doing that very carefully. Okay, now I'm taking this blue color, mixing these two a little bit, applying it on the inner corners. Now I'm taking this clean blending brush and blending the edges of these colors. Need to apply a little bit more yellow here. Now I'm extending this yellow all the way till here. But yeah, make sure you blend it properly, or just use your fingers to blend the color. Now the same blending brush, and I'm taking this pink color and applying it right below this yellow on the skin. Now this brush that I used to create the crease, I'm taking that brush, cleaning it again on my tissue paper, and now I'm taking this green color. So this is what I will apply on the lower lash line. Now in the other half, I'll apply this red color. So I'm taking this Kajal pencil, this skin color Kajal pencil. Okay, this is how it looks. This is from PAC, and I'm applying this in the waterline. Now I'm taking this highlighter again. It's from PAC. The shade is 01. Okay, I'm taking this little tiny brush, applying the highlighter at the brow bone, whatever is left. I know I've filled the entire eyelid with colors, but yeah, whatever is left, you apply the highlighter there. Oh, this is one step that I forgot, sorry guys. So I'm taking an angular brush like this. Now this one is from Sigma, and again taking this yellow color, these two shades. Okay, and I'm applying this yellow color very lightly here and take it up. So basically now we have little shading of yellow here in the inner corner and also here. So this is how the eyes are looking right now. So yeah, what I'll do now is I'll apply my eyelashes and come back quickly, so don't go anywhere. So I'm back after applying my lashes, and also I completed rest of my face makeup, applied lots of highlighter as you can see, and my lipstick. So going with a very nude lipstick because of course the focus has to be on the eyes. This is my colorful eye makeup look for this Pride month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely loved creating this look. So before I leave guys, I just want to say that love has no limits, and may our life be as colorful as this makeup look. Let's respect each other's choices. So yes, here I am signing off, sending lots of love and hugs to all you people. See you all very soon. Take care. Bye guys.